He showed us how one can be strong at the most vulnerable and brave, even when consumed with fear. Here was a lost man that had to lead the way. The best performance for an actor prize goes to Lutskyi from Under the Volcano.
But first, let's watch the video message coming from Lutskyi.
Hi, it is a wonderful and great news for me. Thank you. Thank you for this high award. It means a lot to me, really. Thank you. I'm grateful to my entire team, especially to the director, and most of all to the armed forces of Ukraine, that I can still work as an actor. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Do you want to add anything?
Yes, I'm extremely happy and proud to be here and to represent my film from I feel like I couldn't be with us today because it's just very hard for men to leave Ukraine nowadays, and I hope this war, this terrible war, will finish soon. I'm really happy and really thank you to jury and I appreciate your decision so much. Thank you so much.
Please go to the center and we will give you the trophy in the middle of the stage. Thank you.
إني سعيد وفخور بأن أمثل السيد رومان الذي لم يتمكن من الحضور معنا بحيث أنه من الصعب الرجال من يهدوا أوكرانيا وشكرا لأجهزة
الفائز لوتسكي هو ممثل أوكراني اشتغل بأدواره في الحزب وونس أوبن
Hey, this is Eric from IONCINEMA.com. If you want to support us, subscribe below. For more reviews, interviews, film festival coverage from Sundance, Cannes, Toronto, you want to check out these guys on this side.